Is it time to buy or sell Radiopharm Theranostics stock? In this video, we will explore Radiopharm Theranostics in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 25th of September, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the potential of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please remember that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 15th of August, 2025, our system has identified Radiopharm Theranostics as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.38. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who followed our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 17.59% since we first designated Radiopharm Theranostics as a buy candidate 29 days ago. This amounts to an average return of 0.61% per day since it received the buy candidate designation. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible change of approximately 50.99% over the upcoming 3 months. This may result in a potential return ranging from 50.99% to 92.64%. Our latest daily update for Radiopharm Theranostics includes the headline, Significant Movements in Radiopharm Theranostics Limited stock price on Thursday, fluctuating by 22.74% between high and low. The Radiopharm Theranostics Limited stock price decreased by 3.36% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 25th of September, 2025, falling from $5.95 to $5.75. During this trading session, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 22.74%, ranging from a low of $5.62 to a high of $6.90. The price has shown volatility over this period, resulting in a loss of 8% over the last 2 weeks. Additionally, trading volume increased by 69,000 shares on this day, despite the decline in prices. This could be an early warning sign, indicating a slight increase in risk over the coming days. In total, 78,000 shares were exchanged, amounting to approximately $450,330. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $50.82, while the lowest price was $3.50. Currently, the price stands 88.69%, or $45.07, below the 52-week high of $50.82, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 12th of March, 2025, it was reported that B. Riley assigned a buy rating to RADX, taking an initialize action. Analysts have assigned Radiopharm Theranostics stock a general strong sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the stock has also received a strong sell rating from analysts. The following signals have been identified for Radiopharm Theranostics. The stock of Radiopharm Theranostics Limited is currently showing a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal indicated by the long-term average. Given that the short-term average is above the long-term average, this creates a general buy signal for the stock, suggesting a positive outlook. Should the stock experience further gains, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $6.33. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the long-term average at around $5.75. A breakthrough above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a drop below the long-term average will generate a sell signal. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Some negative signals have also emerged, which could impact the near-term developments. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, the 17th of September, 2025, and since then, the stock has fallen by 19.01%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Radiopharm Theranostics Limited did experience an increase in volume on the last trading day, although this was accompanied by falling prices. In technical analysis, this situation is referred to as divergence, which may serve as an early warning sign. In certain instances, rising volume during price declines can be seen as a positive indicator, particularly during typical sell-offs. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 7 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 26 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 47 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 44 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 42 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 36 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Radiopharm Theranostics. Radiopharm Theranostics Limited finds support from accumulated volume at $5.65, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock exhibits significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is regarded as high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $1.28 between its high and low, which is a change of 22.74%. For the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 12.26%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Radiopharm Theranostics, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing losses or negative earnings. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to circumstances beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profits and could indicate risks of bankruptcy. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Radiopharm Theranostics. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Radiopharm Theranostics is at $6.67. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Radiopharm Theranostics encounters its first support level at $5.65. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $5.46, representing a 5% decrease. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a higher level of risk. A sell signal has been identified from a pivot top that occurred 6 days ago. Is Radiopharm Theranostics stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current price level may present a buying opportunity. There is a fair chance for Radiopharm Theranostics Limited stock to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 26th of September, we anticipate that Radiopharm Theranostics will open higher by approximately 34 cents, starting at $6.09. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.